Hi, I'm Karina. I am on a health and wellness journey and trying to get my life back. And today I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite staple recipes that we keep in the house. So stay tuned for the final product. Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Fit Me Plus 3. This is Karina here, and I am a mom on a health and wellness journey to get my life back. If you're new with us, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe because we are back for you 3 times a week. And if you're not new, you know I love you and I cannot wait to show you and share with you today's video. I hope you all enjoy. Today, I am at the grocery store because our garden is not yet producing what we need in order to start our salsa season. You guys know that we did the tomatillo salsa verde a couple of weeks ago, and this week we are going to be making our regular red salsa, restaurant style, if you will, at home. I've got to grab a couple ingredients from the store just because, like I said, our tomato plants are flourishing, but they're not quite ready to be harvesting and picking. But we want to get a couple of jars in the pantry and in the fridge so that we have them for our health and wellness meals. And I can't wait to show you. So let's go in the store, let's grab a couple of goodies, and then I'll show you the process. We are home from the store, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick recap of the things that we grabbed. We have our limes, our Roma tomatoes. You can substitute other tomatoes. These just tend to be my favorite when it comes to making homemade salsa. We have our cilantro. We have jalapenos. These jalapenos were ginormous at the store today, so use them wisely. I typically put 2 to 3 in per batch, and if I double, obviously I double, but this is almost the size of 2 jalapenos, so just choose how hot you want it to be. We have our red onions. We grabbed some crushed tomatoes and some diced green chilies. We did get mild. And then I pre-measured my salt, my cumin, and my sugar, which are the seasonings that I choose to put into my salsa. So let's just chop it all up, get it all together. That's one of my favorite things about salsa is there's not a lot of baking, there's not a lot of prep work or weight work. It's just a matter of getting it all together, getting it in the food processor, and making delicious salsa for your toppings. So let's get to it. Well, we have now 6 cans or jars, if you will, of salsa. So as you saw, it was a very simple process. One of my favorite things about making my homemade toppings and salsas is that I know the ingredients. They're always just fresh, healthy produce that I can put in there with a couple of seasonings. So salsa is one of the easiest that I find that I can make because, again, there's no not that much prep. Just chop it up, throw it in the food processor, and here we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you come back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back with a video showing you how to can these jars so that you don't have to worry about 6 cans going bad or having to go through them too quickly. I'm going to show you how easy it is to can them at home so that they're good for 6 months in your pantry without all the bells and whistles, because you don't need all that. But again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that this inspires you to make some of your own salsas or toppings. Feel free to substitute, add more, add less of whatever ingredients you love the most, because that's what I try to do as I continue to develop the recipes and the nutritious, toppings that we have here at home. I appreciate you as always. We will see you next time, and thank you for being here.